Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh Tambi and I am the project leader. And I am here you to explain my project what is Smart Waste Management System. So Smart Waste Management System is a project that combines technology and environmental consciousness. Students can develop a system that monitors and optimizes waste collection, reducing environmental impact and making waste management more efficient. Smart Waste Management System enhancing efficiency and sustainability. Introduction. Overview of the Smart Waste Management System. Importance of efficient waste management for environmental sustainability.
Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Asnani and I am the information researcher. Component of the system: Smart Brain. Purpose: real-time monitoring of fill level. Component: fill level sensors, working mechanism, benefit: integrated of GPS tracker. GPS tracker. Purpose: real-time monitoring of waste collection vehicles. Component: GPS tracker device, dynamic routine of adjusted.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Chanchlani and I am the data expert. Data analytic. Purpose: predictive analysis for optimized resource planning. Components: algorithm for waste generation prediction, historical data analytic. Cost efficiency. Optimization of collection routes reduces operational cost. Efficient resource allocation leads to cost saving for waste management services.
Hello everyone, myself Samar Goel. I am the designer. Working mechanism. Smart bin transit fill label data to the centralized system. Predictive analyze historical data and predict future based generation pattern. GPS tracking enable real-time monitoring and route optimization for waste collection vehicle. Environmental impact: reduction in fuel consumption due to optimized collection route. Minimize overflow from the bins, reducing litter. Hello everyone, myself Sarad Goel. I am the project leader. User education: importance of waste reduction, recycle and responsible disposal. How does smart waste management system encourage community involvement? Technological skill applied. Sensor technology and IoT for smart bins. Data analyze for predictive analysis. App or web development for the user interface. GIS for GPS and route optimization.
User interface. Purpose: engaging resident of encouraging responsible waste disposal. Components: app or web portal for residents. Real-time alerts. Educational content. Scalability: the smart waste management system is scalable for communities of different sizes, easily expandable to accommodate future growth.
Future improvement possible: enhancement or expansion of the system, integrated with cities, smart cities initiative.
Concluding this video, I would only like to say that we should dispose of waste matter in smart and efficient manner so in as order to protect the environment so that our future generation can also use it for their future benefit. Secondly, we should always encourage the community to do the same as we discussed in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.